Welcome Secondhand Overland, guys. If your Jeep looks like this, I can help. Check it out, there's a Jeep just sitting up the road from where I live. This is the reason why I'm building the Jeep that I'm building and the way I'm building it and why I'm building it. You can see that it has no back bumper. It has its bumper missing and its sills are cut out, and it has an odd front bumper attached onto it with a snorkel through the fender. Reason I'm showing you this is part of the reason why I'm fixing up the Jeep the way I am. This is a prime example of what happens to them after a time and people want to turn them into off-road vehicles. They get an odd looking bumper guard. They still have their receiver hitch, but they put on shackles and they throw away the plastic hitch. This one looks like there might be a pipe for a tire rack. But the sills are cut out because they're obviously rusty. You can see the bumper has been replaced with an aftermarket front bumper, but it doesn't quite line up with things. So the main thing being is they throw away the front plastic bumper, the sills get cut out, the back bumper gets thrown away, and generally it looks like it's rock guarded. That's what you end up with. I'm trying to make a better looking one. Here's a front end view of it. Looks like it's got 31s on it with the older style Jeep rims and the snorkel. This is a bit of a comparison video. I gotta do this quick because it's nice and cold out here right now. This is what you do instead of throwing away your front bumper. You keep the plastic and you stuff the winch inside and you put a brush guard on it. Eventually we're going to add pipes around the front of it, muscle bumper this front bumper. But this is how it looks in the sunshine with the bush guard and the winch on the front of it. The front end's back together. The rock guards are installed instead of rusty sills, so that's the replacement idea for rusty sills in order to take care of how your Jeep looks. With the back bumper, don't just throw the plastic away. Put some reinforcing steel in behind it and try and put the plastic back on so that you don't have a half-built looking truck. You'll have something that looks nice. And this is just an idea on how to keep the plastic for your bumper and still have a strong enough bumper to do your off-roading and to hold your spare tire and stuff. Not to say that cutting out the sills and throwing away the plastic doesn't make it more functional. It just doesn't look very good on the road. You don't have to chop it up so badly. You don't have to throw away the rear plastic. You can keep your plastic.